Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I would like to show you how to install the step bar for a 2023 Nissan Frontier. This is my friend truck. He just bought it a couple weeks ago and it doesn't come with a step bar, so we got this step bar from the dealership and it's very easy to install. So it came with 6 brackets. So on the bracket they did say left side and right side, so you can't miss it because they stamp the word on here, left side, right side. And when you put it on, doesn't matter which one front, which one rear, and which one in the middle. So I got one on. You see there's 2 holes right here. There's a 2 stud coming out underneath here. I'll show you later. And you put it on like this and just put 2 nuts behind, and also the nut is a 12mm nut, and all the bolt come in this bag here, so it's enough nuts and bolt for you to put it on. And this is 10mm bolt for you install the bar that sit on top of this bracket. So you don't need a hoist to work on, put this step bar on. As you see the stud coming out 2 there, and I already did put a nut on for that bracket. And there's one right here for the center one, and the ones in the front right there. So now just put the bracket on first. Now 3 bracket is on. The 2 front one is like close together. This one a little bit more far to the back, and I put the nut on with the 12mm socket. Put the nut on, but not tying at this point yet, so we have to leave it loose a little bit like this. And we have to put the bar on, because when you tie this bracket before you put the bar on, it might not line up with this. So put the bar on and screw the nut at the bottom first. Make sure it lines up properly. Screw in by hand. Now after all of the bolt that screw in, and just need to tighten this, and this one don't over tight it, so it should have back like how many foot-pound to tighten this, but it's 10mm bolt. It's not you don't have to tight very tight because you don't want to snap it. So just go with like 1/4" ratchet and socket and tight like this. Yeah, just a little bit. So all of these 3 are tight, all of it, and we're going to tighten the bracket inside. Okay, now all of these 3 are tight to the bracket, and now going to tighten this inside is also a little bit tighter than this one because it's got a big stud and a bigger nut. Yeah, there's a lot of space. You can very easy to tighten it, and have to use the deep socket because the stud sticking out very long. Just that much Don't have to be too tight because we don't want to snap it and it's not fun. You can feel it very tight. Yeah. And also the one in the back here. Okay. Very strong. So I think I did the right one. The bar also have left and right. You can see the pattern on the step right here. Kind of like the arrow pointing in. So that for this side for the driver side and the passenger side, which is this one. And we're doing the same thing on the passenger side. So both sides done. Now let's test it. Open the door. Step on it, get into the vehicle. Nice, very strong. And passenger side. Look very nice when the bar is on. Look like a real truck now. Okay. I'm only 60 kilogram. Okay, here's the tightening spec that this came with the bar and the bracket. I think it's in the box. So the two bolts in the bottom, they said in here 8.4 Newton meter, so 6.2 foot-pound, and the bracket tied to the body, it's 12.7 Newton meter. 9.4 foot-pound. So if you guys want to follow without spec, if you have a torque wrench, that's nice, not too loose or not too tight, so you don't afraid to break the bolt or the stud. But you just go with hand when it's tight, it should be tight. So yeah, it's good. So what do you guys think? Hope this video helped. If you have a Nissan Frontier and you want to put the bar on, because to install this bar at the dealership, they want to charge you $200 Canadian, and you got it from the dealer. Very simple, very easy, step by step. They even show you in this paper here. But when you look at it, you know how to put it on, and it saves you $200. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.